Sarap kain ni Bunso. Sarap ba yung Bunso? Masarap ba? Yung balot ni Bunso. Si Kuya din, oh. Sisig. Sasubo pa, me.
Ayoko ng sisig.
Kainin mo yan. Masarap yan. Pampalakas yan. Di ba, Miguel?
Sisig is my favorite when I was young. But since I knew it had too much tinik, but now young I
Wala naman tinik yung sisiw, eh.
that's the bones.
O, hindi yan tinik. Bones yun. Sarap ba? Ano yung kinakain mo? Pangalan niyan sa Vietnam?
Rang me.
Rang me?
No. Oh, no.